Hlookup stands for horizontal lookup. And when can we implement horizontal lookup? So I have here a database of payroll per employee, and our objective is to define the tax percentage based on the given starting salary. So how do we do that? Let's go to the next worksheet wherein we can find the lookup table. So in this worksheet, we have the list of all values of starting salary with the exact comparison for tax percentage. Let me highlight this area and name this as H table, short for horizontal table. Okay, in horizontal lookup, we can look up the data on a row level. Okay, in this case, the first row is the starting salary and the second row is the tax percentage. Now, let me go to database for a while and implement HLOOKUP. Our objective is to find out the tax percentage based on the given starting salary. So how do we do that? That's with the use of HLOOKUP equal HLOOKUP, open parenthesis. Lookup value is starting salary given H7, comma, table array. For the table array, that's H table. So lookup value, which is the value of H7, means the cell reference. Table array means the reference table, right? Or the table involved in the equation. In this case, that's H table. Comma. As you can see, for the third syntax, we need to identify which row do you want to look up. Is it the first or the second row? In our case, we need the second row index number. And lastly, comma. For the last syntax, range lookup, you can simply type 1 or 0. 1 means approximate match, 0 means exact match. Let me type 0 for a while, and let's check for the output. I try to use 0, but this is what will happen if you use 0. As you can see, each lookup will display NA values. Why? Because when we say 0, we're talking about exact match. If you try to look, we're looking at the value of 57 and we're finding the exact match inside the H table. But when you go back to H table worksheet, you don't have any 57 data here at all. But how can we define them according to the range? Going back to database, instead of typing 0, type number 1. Number 1 means ascending or approximate match. Enter. Approximate match, alright, will define the exact tax percentage based on the value of the starting salary. Even though we don't define 57 in the H table, when you type number 1, HLOOKUP will find the approximate match given available in this table. So that means this value is from 1 to 4,000. That's 8%. 4,000 is the limit because we have the next value, 4,001. 4,001 to 5,000 is 10%. 5,001 to 6,000 is 12%. 6,001 to 7,000 is 14%. 7,001 and above is 16%. All right. All you need to do is to type number 1 and Excel will do the approximate match on your table. And now this is your HLOOKUP function.